小绿。
Nikki might be looking for her cat. Ah! The monk is biting my feet. Bryce, be careful, huh?
跟他说。
Don't be bite.
哎，
Don't be bitten.
落来，落来。
Oh, he listened to
我来
Grandpa.
我来。
That's strange.
Yeah.
When Grandpa says something, he will come down.
落来。
細細可唔可以攞走我隻腳嗰隻和尚啊？佢成日咬我隻腳啊！
好吧。
This guy is always biting me, biting my feet. Oh, yes,
Stop.
clever. I check him to go away. Oh,
姐姐。
oh, it seems they're buddies.
嗯。
開門，有人飛咗啦！
想開門。
快啲啊，爭開門佢！
帶鸚鵡跑
誒
走啊！
小紅啦，
啲鸚鵡一陣飛出去啊！嗱，
that's our balcony, packed with all kind of things. But oh no, actually, it's Grandpa's balcony.
哎呀，哎呀，老到鬼咁。
Maybe feed it too much. That's why he's a little bit fat.
唔肯嘅，佢一撩佢就咬人㗎啦。
This one is good. Slim, in good shape.
唔好打佢，打佢死㗎。呢個好中意沖涼啊！
He likes to take
呢個
bath.
嗱，
我想啊。
我想
His name is Monk.
有佢
I don't know why his name is Monk.
有個你冇好撩撩佢。
Nikki, why your grandpa give the name as Monk to him? And this
我
called
想飛到啦。
and this called son, the son. The son always stick to grandpa, never leave him. He's like his buddy. See, always stick to grandpa's neck or shoulder.
放低。放低。
佢發嬲啊！我搞佢咯，咪咬爛咯。哇！真係好鬼靚，整得。哇！呢個架真係整得非常之靚，係公公自己整嘅。
咦！
細細唔好搞 sexy 啦，露膊頭做咩 ？This week because Vancy is not available, is busy. That's why today Vancy and Nikki only have a video about the birds and their life. That's Nikki's brother and Grandpa. They have a balcony here, and then there are some birds.
冇咬爛，手都爛㗎。好厲害㗎佢啊！
This kind of nut. Bryce is not tall enough to let him eat this nut. Let him come down. Let him come down. Try to attract him to come down.
是个糖吗？求你了。